Menteri rang ba ke jela ukan rat ke sama ula kentaj ya kejing mi kebor bakadan kejing shalan bat ti tu yo doyong na kathain South West Khasi Hills ukan rat ulaong bak sarkar hadien kejing mi kebor haka khandriu tarik mentau benai kalap hak tokit ha deputy commissioner ke South West Khasi Hills bat kat kum ka gaipat balap ha do DC kamdon satya kejing shalan ni ti tu yo doyong ulaong bakat kum ka gaipat balayo no DC udoyong wala shandur hakakot kubor udai wana Bangladesh. Menteri rang ba obak mi ru ya ketanat mining and geology ula kentaj ya kejinglet her derhi ki menteri sarkar bat kejingkan maka sarkar India ban pelaj ya kejingti doyong ha kejela kalong ka basupin sab kai ya kapor bat kapisa ulong ba kejinglet jong sarkar sya Delhi banyakren maka sarkar India kalong banyok ti doyong biang ha karukom ke badai klem da pinjulor ya kabor mariang nikta ya kinong trei duyong bat kumjo wan petikna baki kena bahapo khasau snem kinong trei hakimar duyong ukan rat ulaong ya kani haba pensyai ya gijing pensngo ya kani gijing mi kubor du MLA kamroi uba George Billingdo haswa ya kani uba George ulaong bakat kum kani ka kubor kadon gijing ti duyong tu dekikat tu kani hakathain West Khasi Hills bat kani kalong ke babian namar kalapen ken ya kaukom jaka National Green Tribunal ba George ulapan pauru ya kejinglingo bayau doyong baladep ti la thau do pita misering tip ke bapau syai bakadon kejingle tu ha ketika than susu ulong om tang balapan kenya ka hukum jaka NGT nak bati pathar yu doyong hendai kani kejingle kelawan ra ya kejing pentrei jubor ya kena ki badang hapo khasau senam kerta ha jaka baki deiban yo ha school kelawan ra ru kejing keta ya kamariang nak kejing ti pathar kejing jot jing serong namar kitrok bakit yo doyong na ketika than kikit palat put bar kejingjur ki chalan thok hakjuk opor UMLA ka umroi ulong bakam don jingmut kejinglet ki menteri sarkar niki officer sya Delhi ban pelat ya kejingti doyong hendrai ka ditang kejing pulut ka ya kapor namar kejingti doyong haduk menta ka ya ha kejela.
When we go through the news report, sir, we can identify several critical issues that indicates the prevalence of lawlessness, the failure of the state machinery, and perhaps a connivance at different levels of authority, sir. So the 5 critical issues that could be summarized from the news report are: number 1, illegal rat hole mining is carried out despite the NGT ban. 2, minors aged 14 to 16 are compelled to work in the mines. 3, mining has affected the landscape, that is the ecology of the area. 4, coal-laden trucks, perhaps overloaded, have damaged the roads and bridges. And 5, the circulation of fake challans. So based on these 5 critical issues that have been reported in this particular news item, I have few observations, and perhaps this House may like to consider or maybe be enlightened on these few facts that I would like to bring to the notice of the August House, especially to the Honourable Chief Minister, sir. So when the NGT ban came, sir, the authorities that were appointed by the NGT, they had gone all across the state where the mines are to assess the coal that was in the possession of the mine owners. Now the NGT had asked them to assess the quantity of the coal, and so the authorities, they went around carrying one instrument with them to measure or to assess the quantity of coal, and that was a measuring tape. So using a measuring tape, now we can all understand as to how perfect can the assessment be. So this, then it infers, or the inference that we can draw from this particular kind of assessment, using a measuring tape to assess quantity or weight, perhaps, sir, the assessed coal was more than the actual amount that was lying there because of this flaw. So therefore, sir, this allowed the mine owners to keep on digging for coal to ensure that they meet the assessed quantum. This gave them a window, sir, to keep on digging for coal, sir, without an iota of fear and even respect for the ban that was imposed. So the other point is the engagement of minor children in the mines. So the constant engagement of children in mines and other labor-intensive activities depicts the deplorable conditions of our citizens that are trying to fight for their daily bread and butter, sir. The lack of livelihood avenues in the areas, especially around the coal mines, forces the parents to put their children through such rigorous labor. Lack of avenues, coupled with family problems, have continually pushed our minors out of school and into the streets. So this also depicts the fact that there has been no activity that has been undertaken for social upliftment of our less fortunate citizens that are there in the coal mining areas.
The state government has failed to check illegal mining effectively. The Honorable Tribunal has directed the DG of Police, the Chief Secretary, concerned Secretary of the State Government, all the district magistrates, SP of the respective districts, to ensure the enforcement of the orders of the tribunal in regards to complete prohibition of illegal, unscientific and unregulated rat hole mining in the state of Meghalaya without delay and default. In compliance with the aforesaid orders, the government had from time to time directed all concerned district magistrates to ensure that no coal mining is carried out at all in their respective districts, as all coal mining as of now is illegal, and that they shall be held responsible if there is any mining of coal which is reported in their districts, and action will be taken against them, and the report will have to be sent to the Honorable NJT and all other concerned authorities to ensure that no coal mining is carried out at all in their respective districts, as all coal mining as of now is illegal. The respective district magistrate shall constitute additional composite mobile patrols / team comprising of magistrate, police and other officers to inspect and strictly implement the orders of the Honorable Tribunal from time to time. The report from the Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khasi Hills was received and indicated that no illegal coal mining has been detected or reported till date. The district administration had deputed designated officers as executive magistrates for NJT purposes to monitor illegal mining, if any, transportation of extracted coal and any violation of NJT's directives. It is also reported that the photograph published in the Shillong Times dated 16th of April 2018, rampant illegal coal mining, reported in Southwest Khasi Hills, was from Bangladesh site where the coal is stocked for further transport. The Extra Assistant Commissioner in charge Ranikor Administrative Unit has been directed to conduct detailed inquiry on the matter as reported in the newspaper. We are taking this matter very seriously. Time and again the Chief Secretary and the Deputy Commissioners, the Chief Secretary has conducted meetings and instructed the Deputy Commissioners to ensure that no illegal mining should take place. Sir, having said that, I am quite surprised by the comments of the Honourable Member when he said that, we are making visits again and again to New Delhi, and these visits are really a waste of public money. Sir, I think we all understand that this is a process. And a process like this, an issue like this, requires a lot of talk, discussion, communication, convincing, dialogue. It's not easy, sir. But I can tell you, we are making a way forward. Sir, ultimately, whatever is happening today is because there is a lot of confusion in the system. And we are trying to give it a proper structure. Once the structure is in place, once we can solve the issues that we are facing right now in terms of the coal ban, I think, sir, things will come into place.